Morning students, this is your science teacher. Welcomes you all back in the next session of science online classes. So students, get ready with your first, use your headphones for your better listening and experiencing, and get ready with your textbook. Students, I brought new topics for you as a recapitulation. The topic is minerals. Students, as minerals, in last video we have seen regarding vitamins. Now in this video we will discuss about minerals. Students, minerals are also known as protective food. Why? Because it helps our body to remain stay healthy. Why? How? Students, suppose to be we are affected any diseases. In such conditions, minerals, how they protect us? They protect us just against of that bacteria, that virus. They create antibodies, and that antibodies destroys the particular bacteria or virus. Students, minerals are also, it's a very important that helps bodies form and function on many different levels. Students, now we will know there are different types of minerals such as calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. And these all minerals, what happen? They have played a metabolic functions including growth and organ functioning. Students, what is the sources of minerals? We will see through point wise point. First of all, we will discuss about calcium and phosphorus. First of all, we will discuss about calcium and phosphorus. Students, in calcium and phosphorus, the sources from where we can get calcium and phosphorus, that sources are dairy products, eggs, pulses, etc. And about, if I talk about its function, then what is the function? The function of the calcium and phosphorus, that it helps us to formation of bone and teeth. Students, now we will discuss about iron. The next topic, iron is there. What is the sources of iron? From which type of food we can get iron? We will collect iron. Simple green leafy vegetables, eggs, nuts, peas, etc. I hope students might have you have seen green leafy vegetables. You have seen, you are using in your daily diet, eggs, nuts, etc. I hope few vegetables, so it is popular for you. It is your favorite food. Same way, so these food items we can get iron from it. And what is the function? What is the deficiency? Students, I hope you are knowing about deficiency. It was discussed earlier, but this time it's a recapitulation time. In spite of, we will know about the function. What is the function? That function is that it is essential for formation of hemoglobin. Students, do you know hemoglobin? Just in the bracket I have mentioned over here RBC. बेटा ये क्या है? ये RBC है, मतलब रेड ब्लड सेल्स है. ये हेमोग्लोबिन जो होता है बेटा, वो क्या होता है कि हमारे बॉडी के अंदर एक रेड कलर का जो पिगमेंट होता है. कभी क्या आप देखे होंगे कि जिस तरीके से एज वी यूज पेट्रोल टू रन अ व्हीकल्स, same way RBC, it means red blood cells, works just like a petrol. Are you getting my point? That requires for body to continue or survival for their life. Same way hemoglobin is that red pigment. Hemoglobin is that red pigment by which any human beings or living things are continuing their life. And what's the deficiency? Supposed to be if any persons have the lack of blood, loss of blood, they don't have the much percentage of blood in their body, so what will happen? It means that person is affected by deficiency of blood. So deficiency of blood, it means they have deficiency of iron. It means that person will affect by anemia. अगर कोई भी इंसान की बॉडी में बेटा परसेंटेज के अकॉर्डिंग अगर उनका ब्लड नहीं है बॉडी में, जितनी उनकी बॉडी के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो वैसे कंडीशन में वो पर्सन क्या होगा? एनीमिया का शिकार होगा. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोसीड कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, आयोडीन. What is iodine? What the sources of iodine? So students, we can say iodine is also a type of mineral which is also very essential part, is a very essential requirement for our body. From what is the sources? The sources that sea water. It's very important. Seafood, fish, iodized salt. And what is the function? What is the deficiency? Students, iodine is very important for our body. It plays a vital role to keep us healthy. Okay. And what type of diseases may affected as a deficiency? तो goiter, do you know? Swollen neck होता है क्या बेटा? इसमें गर्दन जो हमारा ये जो नेक होता है उस नेक में अजीब सा टाइप का वो जख्म टाइप का हो जाता है, ठीक है, उसी को हम ग्वाइटर बोलते हैं. Students, I hope you are getting well. Now we will discuss regarding the next topic, that is fibers. Students, fibers is very important. Why these are important? Doesn't matter. These are called roughage. Why these are called considered as roughage? Because it has no nutritious value. That's why fiber is considered as roughage. In spite of it is very useful for our body. Do you know why? हैव सीन एनी टाइम? बेटा आप एक कॉमन सा चीज़ देखो, जब हम कभी टाइल्स, घर पे आप लोगों का टाइल्स लगा होगा सरफेस पे, उस टाइल्स पे कभी हम वाटर फिल ऑन कर दीजिए या ऑयल फिल ऑन कर दीजिए, क्या होता है? वो सरफेस काफ़ी स्मूथली हो जाता है, काफ़ी स्लिपी हो जाता है. और इन सच पे प्रोबेबिलिटी इज देयर टू बी स्लिप डाउन, और प्रोबेबिलिटी हमारी स्लिप डाउन होने की बढ़ जाती है. एंड आफ्टर स्लिप व्हाट विल हैपन? डेफिनेटली वी विल गेट हर्ट. Okay, so we will get hurt. The same way, fibers doesn't matter, it has no nutritious value, in spite of it plays a vital important role in our life. What is the sources of fibers? Sources of fibers are carrot, cabbage, beans, wheat, etc. It means it is provided by plants only. You're getting my point? It is getting by plants. And what is its function? Its function, as I told you. अभी मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया था, कोई एक सरफेस पे अगर हम वाटर और ऑयल हम फिल डाउन करते हैं, इन सच कंडीशंस एनी पर्सन, एनी लिविंग थिंग्स इफ ट्राई टू वॉक ऑन दैट, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? इट मे हैपन दैट पर्सन विल फिल डाउन, एंड आफ्टर फिलिंग व्हाट विल हैपन? दैट मे दे विल गेट हर्टेड, दे विल गेट एक्सीडेंट, एनीथिंग मे हैपन. So in same way, if suppose to be we are getting food, more food, in such conditions what will happen? Do you know? Such food items are such like that they cannot digest easily. So in such conditions, roughage helps them to digest. It means it prevents from constipation. अगर हम बात करें बेटा कि what is the function of fiber, तो इसकी function क्या है? ये हमें कॉन्स्टिपेशन से बचाता है. कॉन्स्टिपेशन समझते हैं बेटा? कॉन्स्टिपेशन इट मीन्स हमारे बॉडी में क्या होना है, गैस फॉर्म कर जाता है, हमारे एब्डोमेन में क्या होता है, गैस फॉर्म कर जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट विल हैपन? बी मे कॉज हेडेक, बी मे कॉज एब्डोमेन पेन, सच लाइक दैट मेनी मोर डिफिकल्टीज वेयर अराइजेस इन द बॉडी. इन सेम वे इट ऑल्सो असिस्ट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन. दैट आई नो, जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू, इट हेल्प्स अस इन द प्रॉपर डाइजेशन. And also it helps to get rid of undigested food. And what type of food we got already, and if it is undigested, then it helps or it assists for the particular digestion. This is the importance role of fibers. Friends, on the same way we will discuss on new topic. The topic is water. Students, water is also considered as roughage. Why? Because it has no nutritious value. The same thing is that it has no nutritious value, that's why it is considered as roughage. And if I talk about what is the sources from where we can collect water, that simply we can say that we get it from liquid. How? As I drink, what we are drinking? Water already we are getting. Milk, tea, even fruits and vegetables too. It means we can get water from fruits and vegetables too. If I talk about function, what is the function of water, then we can see that it has various function. Number first, it helps the body to do their movement. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बेटा ये है कि ये हमारी बॉडी को मूवमेंट पे क्या करता है, हेल्प करता है. इट हेल्प्स टू एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट फ्रॉम फूड, एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प to the body organs to collect nutrients from food. And the third point, it helps to excretory system to beast out as urine and sweat. Okay, and number last point, it helps to maintain constant body temperature. Are you getting my points, students? It helps to maintain constant body temperature, which is very important for our living things. Students, I hope we all of get very well, and I request to, as a homework, keep revising the topic and write it 2 times by yourself. Okay, students, bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for the patience and watching the videos.